Wait! Before you get started with Instagram, you're about to discover how to better tell your story and build your audience even faster for better results. First off, I want to thank you for purchasing the ultimate guide to massive success with Instagram. You're going to learn a lot and begin building a highly engaged audience with Instagram using the guide you just purchased. But what if I told you there was a way to get results with Instagram even faster? Not only could you see results faster with what I'm about to share with you, but you could find yourself building a more engaged audience, getting more traffic, and making even more money. Although the guide you just purchased is extremely easy to follow and is written in a very step-by-step format, the bottom line is some people learn better by watching something being done than by just reading a guide. How about you? Are you a visual learner like most people out there? Do you prefer to read about how to do something, or would you rather watch a video and see how it's done right in front of your eyes? If you're like the majority of the population, watching a step-by-step video is going to make learning much easier. And it gets worse. Unfortunately, most people that buy text-based guides fail to even go through all of the training. And many of the people that actually do get through a guide or text-based training just don't seem to retain what they read all that well. But what if you could get comprehensive training that shows you exactly what you need to do to see big results with Instagram as quickly as possible? The good news is you're going to have the opportunity to do just that today. I've created a step-by-step video upgrade that goes hand in hand with the guide you just purchased. To put it simply, I want you to see results as quickly as possible. And there are little details that can be the difference in generating a massive Instagram following that's engaged and gets you tons of high-quality traffic, and ultimately never getting anywhere with your Instagram account. Or even worse. If you do things wrong with Instagram, not only could you fail to get the following and traffic you're after, but you could even risk getting your Instagram account banned if you don't play by the rules. That's why you need to really understand and comprehend every single detail in the Instagram training you just purchased. To make absolutely sure you don't miss anything when it comes to getting started with Instagram and telling your story, building your initial following as quickly as possible, learning how to engage your followers and turn them into traffic, and making as much money as possible with your following and the traffic you're generating with Instagram. If you miss just one step in the process of building your following, telling your story, and engaging your Instagram followers, you could find yourself wasting a ton of time, and ultimately missing out on getting the best results possible from your Instagram following. Sadly, many people struggle to get the results they hope for with Instagram because, well, the devil's in the details. When you follow what you'll learn inside the step-by-step video training, getting traffic and producing results is easier than ever. Upgrading to the video version of the Instagram guide you just purchased guarantees that you learn how to do everything the right way. Click the button below to get instant access. And of course, as an existing and valued customer, you'll get access to the upgrade with special customer-only discounted pricing. When you consider that this is just like having a private tutor showing you exactly how to set everything up and see big results with Instagram marketing, it would be easy to put a price of several $100s on this upgrade. But you won't pay anywhere near that when you make the wise decision to upgrade today. Plus, when you take action today, you're also going to get an exclusive bonus of 10 high-quality audio MP3s of all the training. This makes it easy to learn on the go and get results with Instagram even faster. When you add the MP3s to the 10 high-quality videos that show you how to do everything from getting started with Instagram to turning your growing following into profit, it's impossible to fail. Not to mention, you get to test drive the upgrade for the next 30 days, with absolutely zero risk. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what you learn inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every single penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. But please don't wait. This is an exclusive one-time offer at pricing that's only available to my existing customers. If you wait, you may never get another chance to get access to this at a price this low. Click the button below to get instant access today.